Hello students, once again I welcome you all in this mathematics class. Let's see what are the topics today I am going to cover. Symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix, expressing the square matrix as the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, let's see the first topic. The first topic is symmetric matrix. Okay, very important. Before going into the definition, I just want to explain you with an example. You can see here I have taken A is equal to 260, 6 minus 4, 1, 0, 1, 7, 3 by 3 square matrix. Okay. If we find A dash, you will observe that you are getting the same matrix as A. That means A and A dash both are same. Now here one thing you have to remember, that what is A dash? I have already explained you in the previous class what is a transpose of a matrix. What is the meaning? Transpose of a matrix means you have to interchange the rows and columns, then you will get the transpose, which is normally denoted by A dash. Okay. So here in my slide you can see that A dash is same as A. That means A and A dash both are same. So we can see the definition now. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be symmetric if A is equal to A dash. That is, Aij is equal to Aj for all possible values of I and j. Now, I will explain you one more example. I have taken one matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. You can see here, this is called the diagonal elements. Okay, 1, 3, 4 is the diagonal elements, right? When you find A dash, that means A transpose, you will get the answer as 1, 5, 7, 5, 3, 8 and 7, 8, 4. Now see here, A and A transpose both are equal. A and A transpose both are equal. So how it is possible? The first condition is, see here, since the diagonal elements is 1, 3, 4, the elements which are above the diagonal is 5, 7, 8 and the elements which are below the diagonal is 5, 7, 8. आप यहाँ ध्यान से देखिए, इस diagonal element के ऊपर जो elements है वो 5, 7, 8 है, नीचे क्या है 5, 7, 8. That means the elements which are above and the elements which are below both are mirror images of each other. That means यहाँ 5 है तो यहाँ पे भी 5 है, 7, 7, 8, 8. They both are mirror images of each other and that is the reason when you transpose these you are getting the same matrix. Okay, that means the first condition to make a matrix or to say a matrix to be symmetric is Aij is equal to Aj. Aij is equal to Aj. How? Suppose I am taking I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2. Okay, so you can write it down as A12 is equal to A21. That means, see here, what is the meaning of A12? First row and second column. So we'll see first row and second column, which is the element? First row, second column, the element is 5. Okay, the element is 5. What about A21? Second row and first column. Second row, first column, the element is 5. See, both are equal. Again, 7, 7. See, it is what? It is A31. That means third row and first column. And it is A13. Okay, first row and third column. See, both are same. Again, 8, 8, same. So, when Aij is equal to Aj, then only you can say that the matrix is a symmetric matrix. समझ में आया आपको? ये दोनों एलिमेंट सेम होना चाहिए, तभी आप बता सकते हैं कि कोई भी मैट्रिक्स जो है सिमेट्रिक है. I think clear? So we'll go to the next topic, that is skew symmetric matrix. What is the meaning of skew symmetric matrix? See in my next slide, you can see that again I have taken one example. A is equal to 0, 3, 1, minus 3, 0, minus 4, minus 1, 4, 0. Okay. When you find A transpose, you observe that you are getting the same matrix, the only difference is there is a minus sign. Okay, that means you are getting A dash is equal to minus A. Now you can see the definition as a square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to minus A. That is Aj is equal to minus Aij for all possible values of I and j. I'll explain you with one more example. You can see here I am taking a matrix A is equal to, and it is minus 5, right? This is a matrix A is equal to 0, 3, minus 4, minus 3, 0, 5 and 4, minus 5, 0. Okay. Now you see here the diagonal element is 0. Okay. When you find A transpose, you will observe that what you are going to get it? You will be getting 0, 3, minus 4, minus 3, 0, 5 and 4, minus 5, 0. When you take a minus sign, what you are getting? 0, 3, minus 4, minus 3, 0, plus 5 and 4, minus 5, 0. This is the same matrix as A. See? So you are getting minus A. That means you are getting A dash is equal to minus A. That's why we are telling this matrix as a skew symmetric matrix. Now why it is so? Because skew symmetric matrix has got two very important property. What is the first property? First property is Aj should be equal to minus Aij. Okay, what is the meaning of this? Suppose you are putting j to be 1 या फिर आप बोल सकते हैं कि I को आप 1 ले लीजिए and j को 2 ले लीजिए. Okay, when you take I to be 1 and j 2, what you are going to get it? You will be getting 2, 1 is equal to minus A, 1, 2. That means A 2, 1 is equal to minus of A 1, 2. Okay. What is A 2, 1? A 2, 1 means second row, first term, that means minus 3. Minus 3 is your A 2, 1. Now, if you see A 1, 2, A 1, 2 means first row, second column. Okay. What is this? 3. What is the difference between these two? They both are same, but the signs are opposite. One is in minus sign and the one is 3. Similarly, you see here 4 and minus 4, 5 and minus 5 and plus 5. Okay. That means the first property say that a matrix is said to be skew symmetric if Aj should be equal to minus Aij. Very, very important. Aj जो है माइनस Aij के बराबर होना चाहिए. आप देखिए दोनों एलिमेंट सेम होंगे लेकिन माइनस प्लस का चेंजेस यहाँ पे होगा. ठीक है, एक माइनस में होगा दूसरा प्लस में होगा. राइट. Now when you see the second property, that is very, very important, the diagonal element is 0. Okay, what is that? The diagonal element is 0. Okay. कभी भी किसी भी स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स अगर आपको प्रूव करना है, दैट मीन्स उसके डायगोनल एलिमेंट 0 होना जरूरी है. यू सी हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल. डायगोनल एलिमेंट 0 हमने अभी बताया आपको कि Aj इज इक्वल टू माइनस Aij. ओके, यू नो दैट डायगोनल एलिमेंट मीन्स A11, A22 and A33. These are diagonal elements. Suppose you are taking I as 1 and j is also 1. So what you are getting? You are getting A11 is equal to minus A11. Okay, you are getting A11 is equal to minus A11. Take minus to this side, it become A11 plus A11 is equal to 0. That is 2A11 is equal to 0. That means A11 is equal to 0. This is a very important part. Okay, so A11 is equal to 0. Similarly, you can say A22 is also 0, and similarly you can say A33 is also 0. So, okay, it's very important. ऐसे questions कभी-कभी पूछे जाते हैं एग्जाम में आपसे कि आप प्रूव करके बताइए कि डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक का 0 कैसे होता है. सो यू शुड नो हाउ टू डिराइव इट. ओके, ये तरीका है जिससे आप प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स 0 कैसे होंगे. तो एक चीज क्लियर हो गया कि व्हाट इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. A square matrix A is equal to Aij is said to be skew symmetric when A dash is equal to minus A. That means Aji is equal to minus Aij. Okay, clear children? Now we'll go to the next slide, which is a very important result. What is that result? Any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of a symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That means A can be written as half of A plus A dash plus half of A minus A dash. Let's see. you can see here A is equal to half A plus A dash plus half A minus A dash. When you solve this expression, you'll be definitely getting A, okay? But the question is, I told you the result as any square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. That means this matrix is symmetric matrix, okay? And symmetric matrix, and this is your skew symmetric matrix, right? Now I'll prove that this matrix is symmetric, okay? How I am going to prove it? Half of A plus A dash, I'll take the transpose of it, okay? When I take the transpose, I'll observe that half, you can take it out, apply the property here. When you apply the property, what is A plus B the whole dash? It is A dash plus B dash. So you'll be getting A dash plus A dash the whole dash. That will be equal to half A dash. Again apply the property, A dash the whole dash is your A. So what you are getting? Half of A dash plus A, or half of A plus A dash, okay? If you denote this full expression as P, you will observe that P dash is equal to P, okay? That means you can say that half of A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix. Now we'll see half of A minus A dash to be skew symmetric, okay? For that, again I'll take the whole dash. So half, if you take out, again apply the property here, A dash minus A dash the whole dash, okay? So half of A dash minus, again apply the property, A dash the whole dash is your A. So you'll be getting, if you take a minus sign outside, you'll be getting A minus A dash, okay? So see here, half of A minus A dash the whole dash is your minus half of A minus A dash. That means, what is this? This matrix, half of A minus A dash, is a skew symmetric matrix, okay? So we have proved that half of A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix and half of A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. हमने ये दोनों को प्रूफ कर दिया अलग अलग, ये सिमेट्रिक है, ये स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है, और जब आप इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे आप देखेंगे आपको कौन सा मैट्रिक्स मिल रहा है? स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स A, okay? Now you can see in this example, express the following matrix as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. That means you have to apply the same result which just now I have explained to you, okay? You can see in my first question, it's a square matrix 1 3 5 7. So now you can see here A is equal to 1 3 5 7. You have to express it as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, okay? So first thing, you have to find A dash. What is A dash? You have to transpose it 1 3 5 and 7. Then what you will do? You will just add A and A dash. When you add, you know how to add? 1 plus 1, it is 2, 3 plus 5, it is 8, 5 plus 3, again 8, and 7 plus 7, it is 14, okay? So you got it A plus A dash as 2, 8, 8, 14. Now what you will do? You will divide by 2, okay? When you divide it, you're getting 1, 4, 4 and 7, okay? So half of A plus A dash is equal to 1, 4, 4, 7. Now what you will do, you will find the transpose of half of A plus A dash and you will find that whether it is a symmetric matrix or not, okay? So I'll denote the whole expression as P. Now when you find P dash, you will observe that you'll be getting the same matrix, okay? That means P dash is equal to P, hence you can say that half of A plus A dash is symmetric matrix, okay? Now symmetric. Now you will take the other one, that is A minus A dash. You will find A minus A dash. A minus A dash means what? 1 minus 1, it is 0, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 5 minus 3 2 and 7 minus 7 0, okay? Then you will divide by 2. So when you divide the whole matrix by 2, you'll be getting 0 minus 1 1 0, okay? Now you see, you can denote it as Q, another alphabet Q. Find Q dash. When you find Q dash, you will observe that 0 minus 1 1, you have transposed it, and when you take a minus sign outside, it become 0 minus 1 1 0 which is nothing but q. आपको देखिए यहाँ पे क्या मिला, q डैश इज इक्वल टू माइनस q आपको यहाँ पे मिला. ठीक है, समझ में आया. तो हमने क्या प्रूफ कर दिया, पहले हमने प्रूफ किया हाफ ऑफ a प्लस a डैश क्या है, सिमेट्रिक है. अभी हमने प्रूफ किया हाफ ऑफ a माइनस a डैश क्या है, स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक है. तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं अभी, हाफ ऑफ a माइनस a डैश इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स. ओके, you have proved both the things. Now the final thing you have to do it, what you have to do, you have to add p and q. ठीक है, अब क्या करेंगे, अब p और q को ऐड करेंगे. What is p? p is your 1447. आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे 1447 and what is q, you got it, q is your 0 minus 1 1 0. ठीक है, जब आप ऐड करेंगे आपको कितना मिलेगा, 1 plus 0 1, 4 minus 1 3, 5 and 7 which is nothing but your matrix A. Okay, so finally you have expressed the matrix 1 3 5 7 as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We'll do one more question which is a 3 by 3 matrix. आपको थोड़ा और क्लैरिटी मिल जाएगा जब हम उस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज योर अ 3 by 3 मैट्रिक्स. Now look at here this question, 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Okay, this is the question. This is a 3 by 3 matrix. Now I'll denote it by A. Okay, now what you will do first, you will find A dash. What is A dash? 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3. Then what is the next step? You will add. When you add, what you will get? 4 minus 3, again minus 3 minus 3, then 6, then 2, and again when you add 1 minus 4, it is minus 3 minus 2 plus 4, 2 minus 3 plus 3, it is your minus 6. Okay, now look at here, you will divide by 2. When you divide it, what you will get, half a plus a dash is equal to 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, then minus 3 by 2 3 and it's 1. Here it is minus 3 by 2 1 and it is minus 3. Look at here, see the diagonal elements 2 3 and minus 3. Okay, minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 1 1. See the elements which are above the diagonal elements and the elements which are below the diagonal elements are mirror images of each other. That means you can say that it is a symmetric matrix, but you have to prove it here. Let it denote it by P. तो P को आपको P डैश यहाँ पे निकालना पड़ेगा. जब आप निकालेंगे आप देखेंगे आपको सेम एलिमेंट मिलेगा, यहाँ पे सेम ही मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो आप बोल सकते हैं कि ये आपका सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स है, आपको P ही मिलेगा यहाँ पे. अब हम क्या निकालेंगे, A माइनस A डैश. ठीक है, A माइनस A डैश जब हम निकालेंगे तो आप यहाँ पे देखेंगे, आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे यहाँ पे, यू विल बी गेटिंग 0 फर्स्ट, देन minus 2 plus 1 that is minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 it is again 1, 3 minus 3 0, 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 4 that is 5 मिल जाएगा, minus 2 minus 4 it is minus 6 and minus 3 plus 3 is 0 बन गया. देखिए आप यहाँ पे the diagonal element is 0, you got it. Okay, now you will divide by 2, you will be getting 0 minus half minus 5 by 2 1 by 2 0 3 and here it is 5 by 2 minus 3 and here it is 0. Look at this, the diagonal element is 0 and the elements which are above and below both are same, the only difference is in the symbol. Okay, one is in minus and the one is plus. That means you have proved that half of A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix, but you have to write it down. You denote this as Q and find Q dash, so you'll be getting minus Q here. ठीक है। उसके बाद फाइनली आप क्या करेंगे, Q और P दोनों को आप क्या कर देंगे, ऐड करेंगे। जब आप P और Q को ऐड करेंगे आप देखेंगे आपको यही मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा A, ठीक है। तो फाइनली आप बोल सकते हैं कि किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को आप उसको सम ऑफ सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की तरह डिनोट कर सकते हैं। ओके, now you can see in my next slide there are some questions given to you, some 4 questions which are very important and normally CBSE में ये questions पूछे गए हैं और हमेशा पूछते हैं normally, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको लिया है। Don't worry, we are going to discuss 3.3 exercise also, but पहले हम ये 4 question को कर लेंगे। Okay, look at the first question. If the matrix A is equal to 0, A minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, B 1, 0 is a skew symmetric, find the values of A and B. Very simple question. अब मैं आपको करके बताऊंगी इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं। Now in this question it's given that this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, you have to just find the value of A and B. So we know the condition of skew symmetric matrix. A matrix is said to be skew symmetric only when A dash is equal to minus A. Okay, so what we will do first, we will first find A dash. Okay, that means A transpose. What is A transpose? 0, A minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1 and B 1, 0. Okay, now we will apply this value, we will use this value in this equation. Okay, so you will be getting 0, 2, B, A 0, 1 minus 3 minus 1, 0 is equal to, what is A? 0, A minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, B 1 and 0 with a minus sign. Okay, I have substituted the value of A transpose and A. Now see, you have to equate, you know the equality of matrix. First what you will do, you multiply with a minus sign. So when you multiply with a minus sign, it will become what? You will be getting 0 minus A 3 minus 2 0 1 minus B minus 1 0. Okay, and here it is 0 2 B A 0 1 and minus 3 minus 1 0. Now look at this 0, this matrix is equal to this matrix. You know the equality of matrix, you have to just equate the matrix and get the value of A and B. What is A? Can you tell me? The value of A is minus 2 and the value of B is 3. अब देखिए यहाँ पे माइनस A 2 है मतलब A minus 2 हो गया, B क्या है 3 है तो B is equal to 3. So this is the way of solving these type of questions. Okay, आपको just value को put up करना है और answers निकालने हैं. Very simple question. Okay, we'll go to the next question. If A and B are symmetric matrices, prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Very important question. Okay, now we'll see how to solve this question. See, you can see here A and B both are given to be symmetric matrix. That means A is equal to A dash is given to you and B is equal to B dash is also given to you. Now you have to prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Okay, skew symmetric means start with transpose. See, if you want to find any answer for symmetric and skew symmetric, you have to always start with the transpose. Now AB minus BA the whole dash, what is the property says? The property says that it is AB dash minus BA the whole dash, and this equals to B dash A dash minus again A dash B dash. थोड़ा प्रॉपर्टी को याद रखना, प्रॉपर्टी मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है. Now look at here, what is B dash? It is already symmetric matrix. You will write down B. What about A dash? A minus A and here it is B. Now take a minus sign outside, you can get AB minus BA. So you will be getting minus of AB minus BA. Now look at this. If you denote this with the alphabet P, you will be getting P dash is equal to minus P. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? It is a skew symmetric matrix. Show that the matrix B dash AB is symmetric or skew symmetric according as A is symmetric or skew symmetric. So this question, if you see the question, it's difficult to understand, but here try to understand the question. Two questions had been given in this question. What is the first question? When A is symmetric, you have to prove B dash AB is symmetric. And one more question is there. Suppose A is skew symmetric, then prove that B dash AB is skew symmetric. Okay. Now I'll prove the first part. The second part you can easily prove at home. Okay. Now we'll see the first part. See here, when A is symmetric, we have to prove that B dash AB is symmetric matrix. ठीक है, so when A is symmetric means what is the condition? A is equal to A dash. Okay, now again we'll start with the transpose. When you start with the transpose, here you have got 3 alphabets, that means 2 alphabet, but it's given in 3. Okay, so consider this as 1 and this to be another one. So ये PQ the whole dash हो गया. जब PQ the whole dash है, आप फिर से प्रॉपर्टी को याद करिए, Q dash P dash होता है. तो यहाँ पे हम कैसे लिखेंगे? You will write down it as AB the whole dash, B dash the whole dash. Okay, so AB the whole dash, again apply the property B dash, A dash, and B dash the whole dash is nothing but B. It's already given that A and A dash both are equal, so you can write A dash as A. Okay, so finally what you got? B dash AB the whole dash is equal to B dash AB. What is the meaning of this? B dash AB is a symmetric matrix. That means when A is symmetric, B dash AB is also symmetric. You can prove it at home. When A is skew symmetric, B dash AB is skew symmetric. Okay, now we'll see the next question. See the fourth question. Find the values of x, y, z if the matrix A is equal to 0, 2, y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z satisfy the equation A dash is equal to I. Okay, you can see here the matrix A is equal to 0, 2, y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z satisfy the equation A dash is equal to I. Okay, that means you have to substitute the value of A and A dash, you have to multiply, and that will be is equal to the identity matrix. You have to substitute the value and get the value of x, y, z. Equate करके आपको x, y, z का value यहाँ पे निकालना है. तो सबसे पहले आप क्या निकालेंगे? A dash, again transpose 0, 2y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y and z. ठीक है, ये आपने ट्रांसपोज निकाल दिया. अब हम यहाँ पे इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. A क्या है आपका? What is A? 0, 2y, z, x, y minus z, x minus y, z into A dash is your 0, x, x, 2y, y minus y, z minus z, z. And this is equal to your I, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Okay, now you can see here what you have to do. You have to multiply these two matrices. Okay, when you multiply, what is the value you're going to get it? 4y square plus z square, 2y square minus z square minus 2y square plus z square. इस तरह से आपको values मिलेंगे. ठीक है, then that will be is equal to your identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? आपको equate करना है. Okay, you have to equate it. तो मैंने यहाँ पे कुछ equations को लिखे हैं. देखिए, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 होगा. That will be equation number 1. X square minus y square minus z square is equal to 0. Equation number 2. 4y square plus z square is equal to 1. Equation number 3. And 2y square minus z square is equal to 0. That is equal to equation number 4. When you solve 1 and 2, you will be getting the value of x. And when you solve 3 and 4, you are going to get the value of y and z. And finally, you are going to get the answer as plus or minus 1 by root 2. Y is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 6 and z is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. Okay, so this is the way of solving this question. It's a very simple question. You have to concentrate on the multiplication part and solving the equation. Okay, so these are the 4 questions, very very important. Let's see the exercise 3.3. Now see exercise 3.3. The first question, find the transpose of each of the following matrices. 3 questions given to you. Very simple. You have to just find the transpose. ठीक है, बहुत ही simple है. आपको खाली transpose का आपको पता है definition. Interchange करिए rows और column को और answer लिखिए. Look at the second question. A, B is given to you. You have to verify that A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. That means you have to apply the property. This property is already discussed in the previous class. आराम से कर सकते हैं. Third भी वही बता रहा है. देखिए, इसमें भी आपको property ही लिखना है. Okay. Now, just see here. When you see the fourth question, A dash is given to you, B is already given to you. You have to find A plus 2B the whole dash. Okay. Now, तो A plus 2B the whole dash कैसे निकालेंगे आप अप्लाई करिए प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ पे A dash plus 2B the whole dash. So you're getting A dash plus 2 is a scalar quantity, तो आप इसको बाहर निकालेंगे B dash. Okay. A dash already given to you. Just put up the values. B dash find out करिए, उसको भी यहाँ पे value put up करिए, 2 से multiply करिए और आंसर आपको मिल जाएगा. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन देखिए, फॉर द मैट्रिसेस A and B verify that AB the whole dash is equal to B dash A dash where A is equal to 1 minus 4 3 and B is given the value. This type of question we have already discussed in the previous class, so I think it's clear to you. Look at the next question, sixth question. A is equal to cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. Verify that A dash A is equal to I. Just now we have done one question. What is the difference between this question and the question which I have solved? The difference is there already given A dash A is equal to I. You have to find the value of x, y and z. Here you have to verify that A dash A is equal to I. That means आपको ट्रांसपोज निकालना है और A के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है और देखना है कि ये एक आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स आ रहा है या नहीं, ठीक है। सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन में आइए, शो दैट द मैट्रिक्स, आपको एक मैट्रिक्स दे रखा है जिसमें आपको सिमेट्रिक बताना है। बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, यू हैव टू जस्ट फाइंड द ट्रांसपोज एंड देखना है कि ए और ए डैश इक्वल है कि नहीं, ओके। सेकंड पार्ट, यू हैव टू प्रूव इट इज अ स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, अगेन फाइंड द ट्रांसपोज एंड सी वेदर ए डैश इज इक्वल टू माइनस ए। Eighth question, for the matrix A is equal to 1 5 6 7, verify that A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, A minus A dash is a skew symmetric matrix. I have already explained this type of question when we are doing the result. उसमें half था, इसमें half नहीं है, that is the only difference. वैसे ही आप solve करेंगे इसको, ठीक है। नाइन्थ क्वेश्चन में आइए, आपको हाफ ऑफ ए प्लस ए डैश एंड हाफ ऑफ ए माइनस ए डैश फाइंड आउट करना है। ए आपको दे रखा है, जस्ट वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन, ऐड करके ट्रांसपोज करके ऐड करना है, 2 से डिवाइड करना है, राइट। नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 10th वन, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड 2 क्वेश्चंस. Again you have to solve these 4 questions as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix, okay. So these are the 10 questions, you have to do it at home क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस के बिना नहीं होगा, आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है। So children, today the topics symmetric matrix, skew symmetric matrix and the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix is clear to you, and the questions which I have given, प्रैक्टिस एट होम 3.3 एक्सरसाइज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, ओके, क्योंकि आपको पता है प्रैक्टिस करना ज़रूरी है, प्रैक्टिस करिए, ओके। आई विल डेफिनेटली कम विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. टिल देन, थैंक यू सो मच, स्टे सेफ.